Platyhelminthes, phylum Platyhelminthes. Habits. These are mostly Platyhelminthes are parasites. These are endoparasites. These are maximum endoparasites present in the animals like humans. Next, levels of organization. Levels of organization. Organ level of organization. First organ level of organization present in the Platyhelminthes. Next, germ layers. 3 germ layers are formed. Triploblastic organisms. First triploblastic organisms are Platyhelminthes. Third germ layer formed in Platyhelminthes. Third germ layer is Mesoderm. Next, symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. Coelom. Coelom is absent. So these are called acoelomates. Coelom absent. Body is dorso-ventrally flattened. These organisms, body is dorso-ventrally flattened. So these organisms are called flatworms. Some organisms shows segmentation. Generally these are unsegmented. Body is unsegmented, but some organism shows segmentation. This segmentation is called pseudometamerism. Pseudometamerism means false segmentation. Segments derived from the neck region. New segments derived from the neck region. So this segmentation is pseudo-segmentation. Pseudo-segmentation exhibit Taeniasolium exhibits pseudometamerism. Moderate cephalization. First word used in cephalization in Platyhelminthes. Moderate. Moderate cephalization formed in Platyhelminthes. The movement is unidirectional movement. Because of the cephalization. Unidirectional movement. Next, parasitic organisms. Parasitic organisms contains hooks, suckers. Parasitic organisms contains adhesive organs. Adhesive means attachment. Parasitic organs contains attachment organs. These are hooks and suckers. Hooks and these are helps for the attachment of parasites. Most of the parasites contains adhesive organs. These are hooks or suckers. Taenia solium present. Taenia solium contains both hooks and suckers. This is Taenia solium. Taenia solium contains both hooks and suckers. Next, digestive system. Generally, parasites devoid of digestive system. If digestive system present, only mouth is present. Anus is absent. In parasites, alimentary canal is devoid of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is absent. If digestive system is present, only mouth is present. Anus is absent. Digestive system is blind sac. Blind sac digestive system. In Taenia solium, digestive system is absent. It absorbs. Body is covered by cuticle. This is forms microvilli. Body contains microvilli. These are microvilli. These microvilli, this is Taenia solium. In Taenia solium, digestive system is absent. It receives food from host through microvilli. The body wall contains microvilli. These are microvilli. These microvilli absorb digested food. So, Taenia solium devoid of alimentary canal. Next, respiratory system. Respiration, aerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration. This organism shows aerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration through diffusion process. Next, excretory system. These organisms contain special excretory organs. These are flame cells. Flame cells are protonephridia. Flame cells are protonephridia. These cells contain flagella. These flagella moves like a flame. So these are called flame cells. Flame cells are protonephridia. Important point. The excretory organs in Platyhelminthes are flame cells are protonephridia. These are helps for the osmoregulation, and excretion. Osmoregulation, balancing of water, and excretion, elimination of nitrogenous waste material. Next, nervous system. Moderate brain. Moderate brain is formed. This brain is called cephalic ganglia. This brain is called cephalic ganglia. Nerve cord forms ladder-like nervous system present in Platyhelminthes. Ladder-like. This is nerves. Nerve cord. Nerve cord forms ladder-like appearance. So, ladder-like nervous system present in Platyhelminthes. Next, reproduction. These organisms sexes are not separated. These are hermaphrodite, are monoecious, are unisexual organisms, or bisexual organisms. Sexes are not separated. Bisexual, hermaphrodite. Next, reproduction. Sexes are not separated. So these are called hermaphrodite, bisexual and monoecious or monoecious. These organisms shows polyembryony. Some organisms shows polyembryony. Polyembryony means poly, many, embryo. Single zygote forms many embryos. Single zygote forms more than one embryo. More than one embryo is called polyembryony. Polyembryony shows liver fluke. Liver flukes. Polyembryony is exhibited by liver fluke, Fasciola hepatica. Scientific name of liver fluke is Fasciola hepatica. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Development, indirect development. Development is indirect development. Indirect development. Many stages present in this development. These are Meracidium, sporocyst, radia, cercaria. Radia, cercaria. Many stages present in this life cycle. These are Meracidium, sporocyst, radia, cercaria, metacercaria, etc. Next, classification. Platyhelminthes has three classes: Turbellaria, Trematoda, Cystoda. Turbellarians are mostly free-living organisms. Mostly free-living organisms. Trematoda, Cystoda, parasitic nature, parasitic organisms. These are commonly forms. These are known as planarians. The common forms in the Trematoda is flukes. The common forms in the Cystoda is tapeworms. The body is unsegmented in Turbellarians. Turbellaria trematoda body is unsegmented. Cystoda contains pseudosegmentation or pseudometamerism. These are free-living organisms. So hooks and suckers are absent. These contains oral sucker or estabulum. Oral sucker. This is acetabulum. Acetabulum helps for the attachment. This is called ventral sucker. Acetabulum also called ventral sucker. These contains hooks and suckers. Turbellarians contains the intestine. In Trematoda, this is liver fluke. Liver fluke contains bifid intestine. Intestine is bifid. Bifid intestine. Bifid intestine present in Fasciola hepatica. This is Fasciola hepatica. Intestine is divided. This is bifid intestine. This bifid intestine helps for the increase the area of absorption. Next, Turbellarians contains molars larva. Turbolagens contains Muller's larva. Trematoda, Fasciola hepatica contains different stages: Meracidium, Sporocyst, Radia, Cercaria, Metacercaria, etc. Cystoda contains Cysticercus larva. Cysticercus larva. This is also called bladder larva or bladder worms. Examples: Turbolagen examples: Dugacia. Dugacia also called planarians. More regeneration capacity. More regeneration capacity present in planarians. Planarians has more regeneration capacity. Important. Next, Trematoda examples: Fasciola hepatica, also called liver fluke, or Bilharzia or Schistosoma hematobium. Bilharzia or Schistosoma hematobium. The common name is blood fluke. Blood fluke. This is liver fluke, Fasciola. Bilharzia or Schistosoma hematobium is blood fluke. Common name is blood fluke. Cystoda. Examples of cystoda: Taenia solium. Taenia solium is pork tapeworm. Pork tapeworm. Taenia solium common name is pork tapeworm. Echinococcus granulosa. Echinococcus granulosa. This is dog tapeworm. Dog tapeworm. Taenia saginata. Taenia saginata is beef tapeworm. Taenia saginata is beef tapeworm. These are the examples of platyhelminthes. The main points in the platyhelminthes is: first, triploblastic organisms, first, organ level of organization, and body is covered by tegument. Tegument. This is protection for the parasites. Protection for the parasitic nature organisms. And the main point is flame cells. Flame cells are protonephridia. These are excretory organs in platyhelminthes.